Abnormal frosts have come to the American Midwest. The air temperature in the Great Lakes region has fallen below 30 degrees Celsius. And with gusts of wind, it can drop below 45 degrees. Thousands of people in the region were left without electricity. The roads are so covered with snow that only snowmobiles could move along them. Classes have been suspended in many educational institutions. Thousands of flights have been canceled, and railway communication has been halted. An estimated 2 million Americans were affected by the storm. The residents of the city of Buffalo suffered the most. These amazing shots were filmed at Buffalo Harbor on Christmas Day. The trees were covered with a thick layer of ice.
Comes a little sun. Wow.
The city of Buffalo was forced to close pharmacies and supermarkets. Many people were left without food during the holidays. Fortunately, not all shots taken during severe frosts are frightening. For example, this bear makes you smile. These shots also cause delight in social networks, but the owners of this house are not at all fun. This snowstorm has already been called the strongest in the history of the United States. Travel bans were in effect across most of Erie County during the worst storm. In western New York, authorities have banned travel and leaving the house before the start of the snowfall to prevent accidents. A sharp drop in temperature, snowfalls, strong winds, and sleet caused many car accidents. Cars got stuck and drivers had to push them. In the city of Buffalo, 89 centimeters of precipitation fell.